Welcome to our ePharmacy study 2024 for the United Kingdom. I'm Fabian, CEO of Smile.BI, and our mission is to boost brands and careers. We do that by helping manufacturers become winners in the digital transformation. And we focus so much on digital because this is where huge opportunities lay. The last decades, we've already seen a huge growth in the e-commerce and e-pharmacy channels. And the next years, we will likely see another doubling of the market based on the price advantage that the e-commerce channel has, the large selection, and the high convenience. Looking at who are the dominating players, we compiled a ranking of the top 10 e-pharmacies based on revenue and performance data. And this comes from our Smile.BI database, which helps manufacturers win in the e-pharmacy channel. So looking at the top 10, we see the e-pharmacies analyzed in our study from left to right, ordered by annual sales over the last 12 months in the e-pharmacy category. So we can see that Lloyd's clearly dominates the UK market over the last 12 months, not only in sales, but also in traffic and visitors. And the next 5 shops combined have sales that are roughly equal to Lloyd's. In our study, we look at each e-pharmacy in detail. For the sake of this video, let's dive deep on Lloyd's because they're clearly doing something right. And the first thing that will jump out to anybody who has seen analytics data for websites before is the high average duration. 2 minutes and 40 seconds average duration of a visit on Lloyd's website is super high. For pharma brand websites, you usually see values of 40 seconds, 50 seconds, if you're good, over a minute. But almost 3 minutes here means that people really compare products, they jump into different product categories, and this is reflected also in the basket sizes we typically see, which are between 40 to 60 pounds. And we usually see 4 to 5 products in an e-pharmacy basket. So this is much larger than your average shopping trip in a brick and mortar pharmacy, and means that there's large potential for cross-selling and a lot of opportunities for brands to boost their sales by doing things right in this channel. The user demographics are quite interesting, with a large share between 25 to 45. While this is normal for the digital channel, in online pharmacies, we usually see a much larger share of people over the age of 50, as they have the highest need for these products. So surprisingly high share of young users here. Let's see how Lloyd's is able to get these people. Let's look at some shop insights. And this is a breakdown for the top 10 overall. Which sites do people visit before they enter an online pharmacy? It's in the large majority of cases search, so mainly Google, and organic search, meaning it's not paid. It's a result that is achieved through search engine optimization, and 19% second largest entry category is direct, so meaning people who already purchased at the online pharmacy and have it saved in the history of bookmarks, or second screen visitors who saw an online ad and type in the URL directly. Overall, you see the other channels don't really make a difference. Social referrals, etc., super low percentages overall, meaning search is really a huge lever, and getting product detail pages right is a huge lever for getting visitors from Google, but also for optimizing sales. And that's something we'll look at now. How do you win in e-pharmacies, and as a manufacturer, how can you boost your sales for your product in online pharmacies. And for us, this is really a 5-step process, where the first one is picking the right partners you work with, identifying the retailers where your effort really makes a difference. And our experience is it's always better to start broad here and cooperate with more e-pharmacy partners, because that gives you an opportunity to find out who's really strong in different areas, to focus on different partners for different campaigns, and not be over-reliant on a single partner who maybe then has leverage against you in pricing negotiations. The next big step after you've picked your partners is reaching new customers and achieving high visibility. If you're talking inside e-pharmacies, then the biggest levers are the search inside a shop and categories. And especially the categories are something that shouldn't be overlooked, because the customers who are searching in categories usually do not already have a preferred product. So you can gain a lot of new customers via this channel. Once you've generated interest, the moment of truth comes on the product detail page. And everything you do in all areas and all channels of marketing ultimately in the digital space leads to a product detail page. So this is super important to get it right. And having a strong product description, having great USPs, having great pictures, video content, rich media content, and really good ratings and reviews makes a ton of difference, not just for your online pharmacy channel, but for your products in general. There's so many people who use online pharmacies to then purchase offline, research online, purchase offline. The online pharmacies are a huge information channel as well, which we saw among others in the long visit duration. And so boosting product page quality is super important. Getting the pricing right is, of course, also quite important here. It's mostly about monitoring, as the retailer, of course, sets the price. But there's this balance between a low price, of course, means customers want it more, versus it negatively impacts your margin. So super important to get this factor right. And then these factors all combine to boost your sales. And if you're managing a portfolio of brands or working with several retailers, then it's really super time intensive to work on all these KPIs by yourself. This is why we developed Smile Analytics and helping you to automate all these steps, helping you to not only see what are your KPIs, but giving you very specific recommendations on what you can do better, what you need to do to boost your e-business, and all in a very easy to use online dashboard for which you can get a free demo by just contacting us, and we'll lead you through everything. We'll tailor it to your brand. We'll show you examples of how your brand is already doing, and we've seen super strong results with this. Where we've also seen really good results is leveraging Amazon. Amazon is, of course, much more than an online pharmacy, but for all campaigns that we're doing with our pharma partners, we see super high return on invest when deploying ad money into the channel, optimizing product detail pages, optimizing search rankings on Amazon. It's a very efficient channel, and I highly recommend checking it out if you're not already working on it. And we're happy to be of help here for you as well. We hope you found our insights interesting. The full study can be downloaded on our website. If you have any questions about any of this data, or you want to get a free demo for Smile Analytics, don't hesitate to contact me or any of my lovely colleagues. We look forward to talking to you and wish you a lot of success in the online channel. Have a great day.